Hello, my name is Mita, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to enable OSC input in Lightact. We start by opening the devices window and inserting a OSC server. I'm going to leave the port number as it is, and if I select it, I can see the IP address of this computer and I see the port number. I'm using a Touch OSC app on my phone, and if I click here, you see that the host IP address is the same as this one here, and that the port outgoing is the same as this one here. So these two numbers have to match. Great, that's all we need to do here. Now, the next thing you need to do is, of course, check the listening checkbox, and let's see if this works. So if I click on my phone, if I tap done and send these and rotate the rotary here, you'll see that the data is already coming in. And if I maybe move this one, you see that another float number is coming in, and so on. So the connection is working. Now we have to take this value to import this value into the layer layouts. So let's create a layer, drag the transport onto it, and what we'll do is we'll type in OSC listener. Great, so what we'll want to do is read that float that we saw coming in before. So I'm going to use a print to log note, or no, maybe just a float setter. Great, and I'm going to use a float reader so we see what's coming in. Great, now if I move the slider, you see that nothing is happening yet, and that's because we need to do two things. One is that we need to select the parent device, the OSC server 1 node, which is this one here, and we need to type in the same address, the OSC address that we see coming in here. So depending which control you want to be reading in OSC, in the app, that's what you need to type in. So I'm going to type in this here, and let's try again. Great, and now we see that whenever I move the slider, the values are coming in.